Hey everyone, Marty Morales here, and I want to talk about the Sunday, December 4th workshop in Las Vegas. This one is entitled Common Foot Injuries, and we go deep into the foot and deal with conditions such as bunions, intermetatarsal neuroma, and plantar fasciitis. So we're really going to get into the nitty-gritty of the feet and approach the connective tissue that can affect a lot of these conditions. So we'll be discussing some of these common foot injuries and going into the practical aspect, the practical approach using the Morales method concepts of palpation to address these injuries I mentioned. I'll also talk about how I specifically work with my clients who have some of these conditions and what to look out for, what to keep in mind when you're working with those type of situations. So please join us Sunday, December 4th, 2022 in Las Vegas at the European Massage Therapy School. All the information is below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask away, and we'll get back to you, and we look forward to seeing you in Vegas.